Good day, ma'am. I'm Remedios de la Cruz. I'm 28 years old. I have 2 kids, 1 girl and 1 boy.
Why do you want to go in Hong Kong?
Because my family.
Do you want to help them?
Yes.
Did you work abroad before?
No.
Did you work as a domestic helper in the Philippines?
Yes.
How many members of the family did you
4.
serve? How many children?
2.
Okay, so when you were with the family, what were your main duties? Did you cook for the family?
Yes.
Okay, what else?
Cleaning, car, wash.
Okay, so you know how to take care of newborn baby.
Yes.
Kindly tell us how.
Change the diaper and
Okay.
bath.
Can you sing children's song?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
follow recipe book?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Filipino foods, ma'am.
Okay, describe your personal character. Are you a hard worker?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, aside from hardworking, what else? Are you loyal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Will you promise to finish the 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.